learning about loops and how to create them. I did strip a little bit of functionality out of my piece from last week. Some of the color changing variables have been removed just so I could focus more closely on the loops for this week. So I did leave a few things in here. You can see that the spotlight still changes depending on mouse position. The clouds are still moving by themselves. And the alien does come out from the bottom of the spaceship. You can send him back up into the spaceship too. But for this week, I created a while loop for these new stars back here in the background, and I used a for loop to create my green spikes down here on the grass. It looks a little bit different. I did attempt to use some randomized values, but of course when you leave them in your draw setup, they started flashing, which was not the effect that I was going for. And when I put them up in the top in my setup, they were covered up by the other elements. So I had to kind of rethink how I wanted to do, how I wanted to draw what it was that I wanted to draw. So I ended up coming up with lines for the stars. But I did get all three of these triangles to appear in their correct positions and then just spaced out appropriately for the integer that I set for them. So pretty happy with where I ended up for the week.